So, how was your today's experience at WordPress Campus Connect event?
Okay, I think the session that we had today was a very good session. All the topics that were explained to us were very thorough and from the very basics. I mean, the website building is considered like a very dangerous thing in the coding world. You know, we have to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but WordPress is a thing that a person who does not know coding can do also. The session was explained from very basics. Everything was so clear. The doubts were taken at regular intervals. So yeah, I think the session was very nice.
What do you think?
Indeed, the session was very good, ma'am. Today we built an e-commerce website, and the teachers really explained very well what the workflow is and how the seller and buyer interact with each other. And obviously, we got to know a lot of what goes in the back end of an e-commerce website, and it was really insightful.
So, you think it will be helpful for your future?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. If we would set up a business and in case we want to set up an e-commerce website, it would help a lot for us.
Yeah, I think for anyone who wants to go into the web development part, I think WordPress will play a major role in its the career life because WordPress makes website building so easy, and also to understand the back end of the website, how a website works, and how every part of a website, every container or every grid is working. So yeah, I think it makes it very easy. So it will play a crucial role in the life.
So, you enjoyed the event and you want to participate like again for the WordPress Campus Connect?
Yeah, sure. This was my second workshop. I also participated in the last workshop. We both were in the advanced program. So we had last time also we had an amazing experience, and this time. So yeah, we'll see for the future experience.
What do you think is the difference in advanced and beginner workshop?
Ma'am, beginner workshop today they made a portfolio website, and in the advanced we made an e-commerce website. So there is like a lot of technicalities in the e-commerce website, whereas in a portfolio website you just have to make some material, and there is not much technicalities involved.
What do you think there is a difference like past workshop you attended and this workshop?
In the past workshop that we attended, we used local WP to host the website. That was local, limited to our computers only. But in this website, we moved to an advanced step. We hosted the website. We got a domain for ourselves. And I think now, since the website is accessible at the internet at a worldwide level, so I think it is very nice. And the things we learned in this workshop were very advanced than the ones we learned in the beginner. And I don't know what the beginner workshop was like, but I know that we got to know something extra in the beginner workshop.
Thank you so much. Thank you.